Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So in the previous video, I covered the foundations of Open Authorization 2, which is OAuth 2 in short form, and OpenID Connect. We covered some of the analogies that are connected to real life. We explained how many of us should understand authentication, authorization, all the concepts that we deal with real life. And in this video, I'm going to Keycloak, which is an open source identity and access management provider, a server from Red Hat. And this page I made for talking about Keycloak. So Keycloak normally is a HTTP server. You can download Keycloak and run on your local machine as a standalone server. Keycloak can be run as a Docker container, and Keycloak can be run inside container orchestrators like Kubernetes. But in this case, in this application, we'll run Keycloak as a standalone server. Okay, and the Keycloak is normally very complicated. If you want to create a Keycloak realm, we explain what a realm is. By hand it takes you a lot of mouse clicks and all. So what we have done to expedite the creation of Keycloak realm, we have provided a JSON file inside the repository itself, and in this video we will cover that file, and we will in the next video we will show you how to create a import the JSON file inside Keycloak, running Keycloak, and create the realm from there. So the first thing, these are bootstrap cards. So this is the tenant boundary. This is the best definition I can give you. So a single Keycloak server can be used for multiple application, and one realm is the tenant boundary. So if you have one Keycloak having multiple realms, those can be virtual servers catering to different application authentication authorization needs. So in this case, if I create a realm called shop realm, that will be, say, we'll be making two applications, one Spring Boot, another Python chatbot. So both applications will be using this realm. So both are common tenants. So no other application will be able to authenticate using this realm. So what a realm is, tenant boundary means all the clients that we define inside the realm, and all the users, all the other roles and everything that we define inside the realm cannot be used by any other application that are not authorized. Next, SSL required is external. What does this mean? If Keycloak needs to call another server outside the Keycloak realm, then we want to force HTTPS. So that's what it means. SSL required external means internally we can go to Keycloak using just HTTP. This is a POC app, by the way. And if Keycloak needs to go outside, making another HTTP call internal, then it needs to follow HTTP. Registration allowed false mean Keycloak is not going to show the register button for the users coming in. Otherwise, it will show if this is true. Login with email allowed, so you can log in with your just username or with your email. So that's what it means. Access token lifespan 300 means all the access token issued by this realm to all the clients, who will cover clients in a little bit, will be having an active lifespan of 300 seconds, which means 65 minutes. This is roles.realm customer.admin. This means this is a JSON array. All the roles we are realm roles will be creating inside the app will be, there will be two roles, customers and admin. Shop web, so they will be creating two clients, one for the UI or Pixie separately in a detailed manner. For now, we just remember Pixie stands for Proof Key Code Exchange. And then it will give public client true. It will not have client secret. And the standard flow enabled means authorization code flow in OAuth 2. Direct access grant, which analogies that are connected to real life. We explained how many of us should is resource owner password grant, where clients get access token using username password will be disabled. Redirect URI, we will give the redirect URI so that Keycloak, after authentication is successful, can return the client to the redirect URI. attributes. We will be setting this attribute, and this is PKCE. We'll talk in a separate video what PKCE really is. And there will be another shop API client. This will be for the backend REST APIs. And this one, we will have direct access enabled true. Same public client plus PKCE attribute as shop web, but PKCE is relevant to password grant. So this is not a two call sequence, one call sequence. When we talk about it, we will show you. And then this one is a little bit legacy. We'll talk about client credentials in a future video, not now. Let's see. Realm roles is what kind of permission you have. Realm roles is OIDC user model realm role mapper. So using this protocol mapper, we are helping the clients get more data out of Keycloak. And we'll show the three demo users. Alice is a demo user. I have changed the password to just password. Admin also is a high level user, but the password is still password. And Bob, let's see, temporary. This is the full blown realm JSON. As you can see, this is a JSON document. Realm is the realm name, enabled true, SSL required, we covered it, registration allowed false, login with email true, access token lifespan, all that. Roles, this is, we are telling Keycloak through this that to create two realm roles, one is regular shopper, store administrator, that is admin, and then the client, we describe the clients is a JSON array. Inside there is JSON object, client ID, name, enabled, public client, protocol, standard flow enabled. All these are self-explanatory, and there is a redirect URI. This is the redirect URI of our Spring Boot application. And when we cover the security client written in Java DSL, we will explain what redirect URI we are going through. Web origins, where our the root URL of our application 8082. Attribute, we are giving PKCE attribute. Post logout redirect URI, this is after logout, this will return to the 8082. And SHA 256 is the PKCE algorithm. And then protocol mapper, we are defining protocol mapper just to make sure Keycloak can pick up the realm roles and include that as part of the access token. If our client does not see the realm roles as part of the access token, it will not be able to hide menus and enable menus and all that. And then there are two protocol mappers. One is realm roles, another is email. You can read it. And the second client ID, which is understandable. Same thing, protocol mappers. Users, there are three users: Alice, admin, and Bob. So that covers our Keycloak, how we are using Keycloak, and we will add this through the import option, and then our burden of creating Keycloak Realm will be much lesser. I will stop here, and in the next video, I will cover the Spring Security aspect, the client side, how we use Spring Security to integrate with Keycloak and secure our application. Thanks for listening. As I said, I have lots of videos. Please subscribe, please share, and then we'll be having a great engagement over time. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.